Okay, welcome everyone of one more lecture of English Standard 10th. We are going to continue the lesson 3.6 concert. In previous video we have covered half of the lesson. We'll have quick recap of that this lesson is based on a concert. Concert means a musical program, and it is based on the love and bonding between a sibling, sister and brother. The brother is not well, he is suffering from cancer, and the sister and the brother, they have a wish of visiting a concert of this famous people, Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ravi Shankar, and they have this wish to visit the concert of his. But brother can't go because he is already bedridden. So the sister feels sad for him that he cannot go, and she also feels sad that she don't want to go alone without her brother, because they both wish to do the things together. But then she becomes sad and she cries. Then her aunt and mother console her. Then her aunt says her to visit to a park where she can feel better for some time. Then she visits a park. Then the description of park is given that people are walking, they are feeding ducks with the peanut and the chana and all. Then she in the crowd of park, in the middle of that crowd, even though she is surrounded with the crowd in the park, she is alone in her thoughts. Then suddenly one thought comes to her mind, and that thought is very daring thought, and then she runs home. Then when she runs home, she speaks to herself that why not, there is no harm in trying that. एक थॉट उसको आता है और वो घर जाते जाते खुद से बात करते रहते कि क्यों मैं ये ट्राई नहीं करूँ. ये जो डेयरिंग थॉट है उसके दिमाग में, वो बोलती कि मैं ये थॉट क्यों ट्राई नहीं करूँ, इसमें क्या बुराई है. So that thought is not revealed now, it will be revealed later. So let's continue the lesson further, what happened after she goes home. Then we are on page number 140, paragraph 2. It would be nice to go to the concert. I don't know when we will get another opportunity to hear Pandit Ravi Shankar, she said to her mother later, and her father agreed to get the tickets. Then she says to her mother that I would like to go to that concert. This is one time opportunity in the life. She don't know whether next time she will be hearing to this Pandit Ravi Shankar or not in the life for the days. पता नहीं उसको कि आगे उसको सुनने मिलेगा कि नहीं. तो she says to her mother that she would like to visit to the concert, and her mother agreed and her father also agreed, and they bring the tickets of that concert. concert में जाने के लिए tickets लगती है, I hope you know. So they get tickets of father and Smita. Then next what happened? The next day, as Smita and her father were leaving for the concert, her brother smiled and said, enjoy yourself, though the words came out in painful gasps. Lucky you. When next day Smita and father were leaving the house for the concert, the brother who was lying, who was bedridden, he says to Smita that enjoy yourself. Smita को उसका जो भाई आनंद है वो बोलता है कि मजे करो. दो ही वॉज इन पेन, उसको जो जैसे वो बोल रहा था, जो वे में वो बोल रहा था, उसको सांस लेने भी नहीं हो रहा था. गास्प मीन्स हैवी ब्रीदिंग. सो इन दैट हैवी ब्रीदिंग ही सेज लकी यू. व्हाई लकी यू? किसको लकी यू बोलता है? Brother says lucky you to Smita because she is lucky to attend the concert of this people, and Anand is not that lucky to attend the concert because he is not in condition to get up also. So he says to her sister that you are so lucky that you are attending. And these words of Anand, they were so painful because Smita and Anand decided to visit the concert together, but she is going alone without her brother. So, and brother is also like very painful for him to accept that he cannot go. So the words which came was very painful. बहुत दर्द वाले थे, emotional थे ये words उसके मुँह से. ठीक है. Then sitting beside her father in the gallery, Smita heard as in a dream the thundering welcome the audience gave the great master. Now Smita and father visited the auditorium. Now here in this paragraph the description of auditorium is given over here. The Smita was sitting next to her father in a gallery. ऑडिटोरियम में ऐसा जैसे थिएटर में गैलरी होती है, बालकनी गैलरी सीट होती है, वैसे they were having a seat in the gallery. Smita heard as in dream thundering welcome the audience gave the great masters. When they were sitting in that auditorium, the audience, they were applauding morning they were welcoming those artists on the stage. जब कोई आर्टिस्ट अगर स्टेज पे आता है, जो भी ऑडियंस रहती है कैसे हुटिंग करती है, चिल्लाती है, cheer up करती है, सेम वे दैट इज कॉल्ड थंडरिंग वेलकम। बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम लाउड नॉइज में जो वेलकम हो रहा था वो आर्टिस्ट का, ठीक है। देन the first note came over the air and Smita felt as if the gates of land of enchantment and wonder were opening. The first note, now your note in air मतलब म्यूजिक जो बजाते हैं उसका जो नोट रहता है, साउंड जो आती है, वाइब्रेशन जो होता है उसको नोट बोलते हैं। तो जैसे ये एक नोट बजी वैसे जैसे ये हवा में आई तो एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक मैजिकल फॉर स्मिता। सब कुछ एकदम मैजिकल था उसके लिए। इट वाज लाइक गेट्स ऑफ लैंड ऑफ एन्चैंटमेंट। गेट एन्चैंटमेंट मीन्स हैप्पीनेस, कुछ एकदम फेरी लैंड वंडर जैसा, ड्रीमिंग कुछ करते हैं फेरी लैंड जैसा, सब कुछ वैसा था एकदम मैजिकल। सो द गेट्स वेर ओपनिंग लाइक अ मैजिकल ड्रीम शी वाज ड्रीमिंग ऑफ। जैसे वो म्यूजिक को सुन रही थी, जैसे उसके कान में जो म्यूजिक जा रही थी वैसे वैसे शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी लाइक शी वॉज ड्रीमिंग अ मैजिकल वर्ल्ड विथ हर ब्रदर एंड शी ड्रीम्ड ऑफ अटेंडिंग द कॉन्सर्ट। सो वो भी अभी तक वो एकदम शी वॉज लाइक ड्रीमिंग, उसके लिए टू एक्सेप्ट दैट रियलिटी वॉज स्टिल अ ड्रीम फॉर हर। ओके, then spellbound she listened to the unfolding ragas, the slow plaintive notes, the fast twinkling one, but all the while the plan she had decided on the evening before remained firmly in her mind. Now as spellbound matlab it's very like you are speechless, you have no words to explain those feelings, so it's like that. Spellbound she listened to the wonderful raga, जो भी जो नोट्स रहते हैं म्यूजिक के, इसको रागा बोलते हैं। सारे गा मा पा से जो भी रहता है दैट आर कॉल्ड रागा। तो जैसे जैसे ये म्यूजिक बज रहे थे, समवेयर प्लेंटिव, प्लेंटिव मीन्स सैड ट्यून, सम कुछ सैड ट्यून्स थी, समवेयर फास्ट ट्विंकलिंग वंस, कुछ ऐसी ट्यून्स थी जो बहुत हैप्पी थी, फास्ट थी। तो ये सब ट्यून्स वो सुन रही थी एंड दैट इन दैट ट्यून्स she was remembering the thought, that daring thought which came in her mind in that evening। जो evening में वो पार गई थी, इधर एक thought आया था उसको daring thought, वो उसके दिमाग में कंटिन्यू फॉर्म था, एकदम फिक्स होके वो thought उसके दिमाग में बैठा था। तो ये जो म्यूजिक वो सुन रही थी उसके बाद भी उसके दिमाग में वो thought जो है it was continuously in her mind। Then the chants of lifetime, she heard Anand's voice in every beat of tabla। She was without Anand in that concert, but she was hearing Anand's word in her ears। आनंद का word क्या था? The chance of lifetime, मतलब जिंदगी में सिर्फ एक ही बार ये चांस आएगा। ये उसके कान में आनंद की आवाज़ में सुनाई दे रहा था जब जब ये तबला और सितार बज रहा था। That time she was recollecting the words of Anand, which he was saying that it is chance of lifetime। The concert came to an end. The audience gave the artist a standing ovation। Now the concert came to an end and the audience जो भी public थी they gave the artist standing ovation। Standing ovation means खड़ा होके clap करना। देखा रहेगा ऐसे रियलिटी शोज पे, DID पे या फिर कोई सिंगिंग शो पे देखा रहेगा कि जजेस को अगर कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है तो they gave standing ovation to that participant। Same way the audience stood up and they applauded with a great happiness, they applauded, they gave standing ovation to this artist। Then a large mustachioed man have a long mustache made a long boring speech। Then came the presentation of bouquet, then more applause and the curtain came down, the people began to move toward the exit। Now once the concert came to end, then a man, in the description of man is given, a large mustache man, mustache मतलब मूछ, बहुत ज़्यादा डेंस मूछ वाला एक आदमी था and he gave a very boring speech। जब शो कुछ खत्म होता है तो कोई आता है और वो स्पीच देता है, वोट ऑफ थैंक्स देता है ऑडियंस को और आर्टिस्ट को। तो सेम वे देयर वाज वन मैन हु वाज हैविंग वेरी डेंस मुस्टैच, ही वाज गिविंग अस बोरिंग स्पीच एंड जो भी उसने बोला रहेगा बहुत बोरिंग था वो। एंड देन केम प्रेजेंटेशन। आफ्टर हिज स्पीच प्रेजेंटेशन होने लगा बुके का। बुके मीन्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर्स। बुके देखा रहेगा जो गिफ्ट वगैरह में देते हैं, it is a collection of flowers। So the flowers were given to the artist as a token of love। Okay, So bouquet were given to those artists. Then again applaud happened. फिर से तालियां बजने लग गई and then curtain came down. Okay, then curtain came down. Now in this lesson you are having many phrasal verb. Phrasal verb मतलब verb के साथ preposition use करते हैं तो उसको phrasal verb बोलते हैं. Come down. Okay, came down. So this is verb. And down is preposition. This is verb and preposition. So this is your phrasal verb. Okay, so this lesson is having many phrasal verb. You might be get these questions in your exam. So remember verb के साथ अगर कुछ preposition आता है, came down, went in. So these are phrasal verb, lot of there in this lesson. Okay. Then the curtains came down and then everyone they started to move towards the exit. सब जो audience थे वो ऑडिटोरियम के बाहर निकलने लग गए. Now was the time Smita wriggled her way through the crowd towards the stage. Now this was the time she was about to meet. She wanted to meet this artist. So she wriggled. Wriggled मतलब if you are in a public place or in a crowd and you have to go to somewhere. अगर तुमको कहीं एक जगह पे जाना है and you are in very crowded place. So how you will go over there? ऐसे सबको ऐसे धक्का मार के हटा के तो नहीं जाएंगे. Obviously you will twist yourself, you will turn this side, you will turn this side, you will move like this way. खुद की बॉडी को थोड़ा टर्न करोगे ना ऑडियंस में एडजस्ट होने के लिए, पास होने के लिए. सेम वे दैट इज कॉल्ड wriggled. She wriggled her way through the crowd towards the stage. जो क्राउड के थ्रू वो पास होके वो स्टेज तक गई ऐसे wriggled होके. And then she went up the steps that led to the wings, her heart beating loudly. Then she went to the stage पे वो गई. Obviously when you go to the stage in front of so many big people, जितने बड़े आर्टिस्ट के सामने अगर कुछ स्टेज पे जाते हैं obviously you have stage fear होता है, थोड़ा सा nervousness होता है, heart beat fast होती है. तो same way she was feeling those things. Okay, her heart was beating fast. She was getting nervous to meet these people. Then next in the wings a small crowd had gathered to talk about the evening concert, to help carry bouquet and teacups and instrument. Now here in the wings मतलब backstage. Okay, stage के पीछे क्या हो रहा था? The description is given in this 3 line. The small crowd was there over there. थोड़े से लोग थे और लोग क्या करते थे? They were talking about concert के बारे में बातें कर रहे थे कि हाँ अच्छा हुआ, ऐसा हुआ, थोड़ी तारीफ कर रहे थे. Then some were helping carrying the bouquet. जो भी bouquet जो है artists have got, वो bouquet they were carrying, helping to set the bouquet somewhere else. Then teacups, artist के लिए teacups, snacks वगैरह आया रहेगा somewhere, taking those teacups to a different place. Okay, and somewhere holding the instrument. Okay, he was there standing with the man who played the tabla for him, the great wizard of music, Ustad Allah Rakha. Now when she moved to stage, then the stage description is given here. Backstage जो भी था उसका description दिया गया था यहाँ पे. Like crowd was there, they were helping to carry bouquet and instrument. Then what happened? Then she sees that the man who played tabla. Now Allah Rakha, here is the Ustad Allah Rakha. Okay, he plays tabla. Now Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha, they are always accompanied with together. जैसे म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में साजिद वाजिद की जोड़ी है, फिर सलीम सुलेमान की जोड़ी है, अब्बास मस्तान की जोड़ी है. सेम वे दे आर पेयर. ओके, ये दोनों का पेयर है. जब भी पंडित रविशंकर he goes to a concert, he always have a company of Ustad Allah Rakha. ओके, तो ये दोनों साथ में रहते हैं. ही प्लेस सितार एंड ही प्लेस तबला. तो ये दोनों का कॉन्सर्ट जब भी रहता है ये दोनों साथ में रहते हैं. तो here the description of Allah Rakha is given here, Ustad Allah Rakha, that he was there standing with the man who played tabla for him. जो तबला उस्ताद Allah Rakha ने इनके लिए प्ले किया था वो भी वहाँ थे. The great wizard of music. Great wizard of music means the great person in music. He like Pandit Ravi Shankar, Ustad Allah Rakha is also a great maestro in music. Okay, Ustad Allah Rakha. Her knees felt weak, her tongue dry, but she went up and standing before them, her hands folded. Oh sir, she burst burst out. Then she moved towards them. Then she saw they both were standing. And then जैसे जैसे वो आगे बढ़ती गई, if you have a stage fear, if you are nervous in front of people, how you feel shaky in your legs, then your tongue start dry, गला सूखने लगता है, then हाँ अंदर से कुछ फील होता है बटरफ्लाई जैसा स्टमक में थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस, तो सेम वे शी वाज फीलिंग. एंड देन शी वेंट टुवर्ड्स देम, शी वाज स्टैंडिंग बिफोर देम, एंड देन शी फोल्डेड हर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, एंड देन शी सेड ओ सर, and then she busted out मतलब she spoke everything, all the condition of her brother. She spoke everything about her brother, what is the condition, what his wish. So she burst out मतलब उसने सब बोल दिया उसके भाई के बारे में. Okay, then yes, he asked questioning but kindly. Yes, now here and her story came pouring out, the story of her brother who lay sick at home and how he longed to hear him and the ustad play. Now here these people, they when she said oh sir and then she burst out, that time these people they said yes in a questioning manner and very kind manner. If you don't know someone and someone is approaching you, कोई तुमसे बात करता है और तुम उसको जानते नहीं, तुम कैसे बोलोगे yes what happened, how I can help you. तो same way they were like in question figure but they were also kind in that question. Okay, so that question is yes, how can I help you, like that type question. He asked in a kind manner but in question way. Okay, and her story came out, उसकी पूरी story बाहर निकली स्मिता की, उसके भाई की. Okay, the story of her brother who lay sick at home and how he longed to hear him and the ustad play. How he longed मतलब how he desired to see this artist playing live. Long मतलब जो desire थी, उसका wish था उसके भाई का कि उसको देखना था कि इन दोनों को live perform करते हुए. All the story came out in front of these people. Then she says, will you come to Aunt Sushila's house and play for him? She asked at the end breathlessly. Please, she begged, please come. Then she says, then she asks, then she requests them, will you come to Aunt Sushila's home to play to my in front of my brother. Now she is requesting to this artist that क्या वो लोग आंटी सुशीला के घर पे आएंगे, क्योंकि आंट सुशीला के घर पे ये लोग रह रहे थे. तो she is saying that, requesting them that will you come to Aunt Sushila's home because her brother cannot come to attend the concert. So will you come to her home and play in front of my brother who is bedridden. So here what happened next? And she begged, वो request करती है, बहुत request करती है, and then she says please come ऐसे करके वो बहुत request करती है, beg करती है. Then little girl, said the mustachioed man who had made a long speech, Pandit ji is a busy man, you must not bother him with such request. The man who gave this boring speech, the mustached man, जो मुच्छी वाला आदमी था जो boring speech दिया था, वो उसको बोलता है स्मिता को, little girl you should not bother पंडित. मतलब जो मुस्टैच मैन था वो लड़की को एकदम चिल्ला के बोलता है, स्क्रीम करता है दैट तुमको इस तरह से बॉदर नहीं करना चाहिए. बॉदर मीन्स ट्रबल, यू शुड नॉट ट्रबल द आर्टिस्ट. ओके, पंडित जी को तुमको ऐसे तकलीफ नहीं देना चाहिए सब रिक्वेस्ट रख के. ही इज अ वेरी बिजी मैन, ही डोंट हैव टाइम टू विजिट यू पीपल. ओके, दिस वे ही सेज, ही स्क्रीम एट स्मिता. ओके, but Pandit Ravi Shankar smiled and motioned him to be quiet. He turned to Ustad Sahib and said, what shall we do, Ustad Sahib? Then Pandit Ravi Shankar, he also heard, and then he smiled at that man and he motioned him. Motion means when the mustached man was saying, screaming towards this Smita, Pandit ji, he smiled and he motioned. Motion मतलब कोई कुछ बोलता है तो उसको ऐसे एक्शन के थ्रू उसको खामोश कराते हैं ना, ऐसे इस तरह से. So he motioned him and like a way that he wanted that mustached man to be quiet. And then he turned towards Ustad Allah Rakha. पंडित जी जो है उस्ताद अल्लाह रखा के साइड थोड़ा सा टर्न होते हैं. एंड देन ही आस्क्स उस्ताद अल्लाह रखा कि हमको क्या करना चाहिए, शुड वी विजिट स्मिता's home or not. Like that way he was asking his suggestion. Okay, then so he says, what shall we do, Ustad Sahib? The Ustad moved the wad of pan from one cheek to another. Tomorrow morning we perform for the boy. Yes, he said. Now Ustad says this to Pandit he was chewing pan. Ustad was chewing pan and then he brings pan from one cheek to another and he says that tomorrow morning we will play for that boy. And he said yes. Yes, Panditji replied, it settles then. Then Panditji replies to Smita that yes, we will come to Aunty Sushila's home to perform in front of your brother. And there uska jo plan tha here the daring plan which she thought in the evening in the park, वो ये प्लान था कि वो जाएगी कॉन्सर्ट में, then she will go to the stage, then she will request and appeal to this artist to come home in front of her brother and play live in front of her brother. This was the daring plan she was having in her mind throughout that evening. Okay, so this was the plan finally revealed, and then the plan here succeeded. यहाँ पे उसका plan जो है successful हो गया because they agreed to come to that Aunt Sushila's home. Then it was a very excited Smita who came late that night. Anand was awake, breathing the oxygen from the cylinder. That night after the concert, Smita and father they were very late to reach home, and she was so excited, and they reached home very late. Even though they reached home very late, Anand was still awake. He did not sleep. Anand सोया नहीं था, वो अभी भी जाग रहा था, उसकी बहन का वो वेट कर रहा था. Okay, and he was in oxygen stage. उसको ऑक्सीजन पे रख के he was still awake waiting for his sister to arrive. Okay, from that concert. Did you hear him? He whispered. Now Anand was awake. He was still awake and waiting for his sister to arrive home so that she can describe whatever thing happened in the concert. So he was so curious to know about whatever is happening in the concert. That's why he was awake. And then he asked his sister that did you hear him? अपनी बहन को पूछता है कि क्या तुमने सुना इन दोनों को लाइव एकदम कॉन्सर्ट में एकदम आंखों के सामने खुद एकदम आंखों के सामने एकदम रियल में उनको सुना क्या तुमने? He whispers. I did, she replied, and I spoke to him and he will come tomorrow morning with the tabla ustad and they will play for you. I did. मतलब जब वो आनंद क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि did you hear, तो स्मिता replies yes, I heard them and I spoke to them. I spoke to this personality and they agreed to come to our house to play for you. Okay, so this is Smita's word that she says that these people are ready to come to our house tomorrow morning and they will play for you. And the following morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbors saw two men get out of the taxi which pulled up outside their block. They couldn't believe their eyes. It is not possible, they said. Next day morning, following next. So next day morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbor, Auntie Sushila के घर के आजू-बाजू जो भी neighbors थे, they saw two men who are coming out of the taxi. Now again here, pulled out. Pulled out is again here a phrasal verb. Pulled is verb, out is preposition. So again here is a phrasal verb. Pulled out of the taxi and in front of the block. And आंटी सुशीला के अपार्टमेंट के आगे एक टैक्सी रुकी थी, वहाँ से टैक्सी के बाहर ये दो लोग आए and the neighbors they could not believe कि इतनी दो famous personality जो है उनकी बिल्डिंग के बाहर है और they are approaching towards Aunt Sushila's home. So everyone was like, no, this is impossible. How could these two famous personality could visit their locality, their apartment in that home? So everyone was not believing at all. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha went up the wooden staircase and knocked softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's apartment. Then Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad they climbed that wooden stair. Building का जो सीढ़ी रहेगी, what it was made up of wooden. So they climbed that wooden staircase and they knocked very softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's home. They went in and sat down on the divan by the window and played for the boy, surrounding him with a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him gently, very gently. Now they moved inside the house. They sat near the window. There was a divan. Divan मतलब wooden sofa जैसा कुछ रहता है. It is called divan. So they sat on that divan and they started to play for Anand. And Anand was surrounded by a beautiful and great happiness. Anand का जो wish था वो fulfill हो गया. He always wished to listen to these famous personality live. वो खुद से सामने से सुनना चाहता था and he was so happy. He was surrounded by that happiness. उसके आजू बाजू जो भी ऑरा था, जो भी एटमोसफियर था वो टाइम पे, he was so happy, so beautiful. And that time Anand died in very peaceful and in happiness. उसकी जो उसका जो उसकी जो जान गई, उसकी जो आत्मा जो निकली उसके बॉडी से, एक जो है वो बहुत जेंटली, बहुत आराम से निकल गई. एंड आनंद डाइड एट दैट moment. Okay, so this is a very beautiful lesson showing the bond between sibling, sister and brother, that how the sister is elder, एक साल आनंद से बड़ी रहती है, 16 years of age, and आनंद is younger to Smita, एक साल उससे छोटा रहता है, just 15 years of age. Then Anand and Smita, they are together in each and every work. Okay, पढ़ाई के टाइम पे साथ में रहते हैं, म्यूजिक प्ले करने के टाइम पे साथ में रहते हैं. तो दिस bonding between the brother and sister, the love between brother and sister is shown in this lesson, that how the sister is so much concerned about her brother last wish, and she did the daring thought, and she fulfilled the last wish of her brother. And how this great personality, even though they are so world famous, might should they have a kind heart to visit the house of Aunt Sushila and to play for that boy. So the kind heart of this famous personality is shown in this lesson. And also the power of music is shown in this lesson. For example, some people are very therapeutic to something. जब उनको कुछ दिमाग में एकदम स्ट्रेस रहता है तो वो ऐसी चीज़ें करते हैं जिससे वो थोड़े से काम रहते हैं. सो यर फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई कोई वॉक पे चला जाता है टू काम देयर माइंड, दैट इज द थेरेपी ऑफ देम. Some people paint, some sings, okay, then some do many other artistic work to calm their mind. So here the power of music is shown here, how the music, it calms the mind of these people, how it is soothing the soul of the people. So this is here all shown in the lesson, the power of music, how at last stage the soul of that Anand moved away from her body very gently after listening to the music. He was in great grief of that disease. पूरे एकदम जितनी भी, जब भी उसको डिजीज आई तब तक वो पूरा एकदम दर्द में रहा. जब उसने म्यूजिक सुना तो वो टाइम पे उसकी जो आत्मा है बड़ी आराम से उसके बॉडी से निकल गई. सो हियर द पावर ऑफ म्यूजिक इज शोन ओवर हियर. Bonding and love between the family is shown over here, and the kind heart of these famous personalities shown over here. So I hope you understood the lesson. And thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.